True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, today I am in Westmoreland. Yeah man, so I don't know. We're going to show you now on Riverhead in a Witton. We're a tourist place man and show you. We love water, you know. We know so we want to see water too. So I'm in the Westmoreland Parish, Witton. Yeah man, take a tour. Yeah man, we walk through hills and valley, you know. I walk through hills and valley. I watch the road them and thing. Yeah, I go through the same way. You might see a lot of farming take place, and you know when it's water area, you know we tend to plant dasheen. Yeah man, a dasheen. Yeah man. Dasheen and yeah man, so dasheen is one of the main crop around here. And yeah boss, yeah, go down by the river there, you know? Yeah man. Manners man, cool. Man, see what this so. So look a journey still. But stick and stay my people and see what I want. See yes my people, this is how you call dasheen. Yeah man, dasheen. This is how dasheen grow in swampy area. But me don't tell you say we are trying to meet up our Riverhead. Yeah man, so it's the Riverhead we want to try to find, and finally we are hear a sound coming out. Like that come out from a rock. So we kindly say we reach right at the Riverhead right now with people. A lot of walking, but we're up on our journey and we love what we are doing. So stick and stay safe with my beautiful people. Yeah man, you see it there? Yeah man, find it, see what go on here, my people. Yeah man, see what go on here. Yes man. Yo, the man them plant dasheen. Dasheen through here, so. Yeah man, see? When I talk about my people, yo, see? You have to take off your shoes. You want to take off your shoes and go into the water. What you mean? You want to take off your shoes and go into the water. Yo, this is something to talk about with people. Water nice, Jamaica nice. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Right. Right. What you say? Right. Look at them tree. A massive tree. Yeah man, we explore the whole of Jamaica. So in a Westmoreland area. Yeah. Where's you gone now? Where you gone? Yeah man. Yeah, the people me I tell you say Jamaica. Come to Jamaica and enjoy the safe man, because you say a lot of places you can go, a lot of places you can see. We are Westmoreland, in the Witton area. We are searching for some rivers where a lot of people don't go hear about it and don't know. They see water come out from some place, but we are trying to find the Riverhead. Yeah man, so we are trying to find them place there, you know. Boss gone way up in that bush there, brother. What you say, my eyes are yours?
People! Oh my lord!
Boss, you find it?
See what I got? Look here, people! We don't see no rainbow, but right now we find a pot of gold. So, we don't know what I got, you know? We don't see what I got, you know, people. Trust me man, this is so much People, words can't express, man, what go on, man. Trust me, people. So, you see, 7 months after Hurricane Melissa, our water still come out of the ground. Tell we if I'm not blessed, we bless. People, blessings have to flow like a river.
River, see
Yeah.
See there.
Blessings
Yeah,
have to
man,
flow
we mean
like a
buried and
river, man.
manners and respect, man. We
Yeah,
the
man.
journey, I do the thing, you know?
People,
Yeah, man.
People, see the man there. Him are the man at the moment because if I never him, this thing, we wouldn't know it. Sure. So, people want big up Barry Dan again, you know. Yeah, man. Go over him channel, show him some support, show him some love. Yes, me people, because I don't know, you know. Yeah, man, and him make that thing possible, you know, guys, so we can find them little pretty place at Jamaica, yeah. Yeah, man, and guys, we have more collab to do, so no stick and stay for that. Because guys, look here, this is just the first start point of it, you know. This is it. Yeah, man, this is the starting of something supernatural, man. Fire Reid, the Fire Reid.
Yeah, man, we're there, you know. Up. You're going to say, we give Barry Dan the credit today, you know.
Yes,
Well, I
man.
get the credit, but Barry Dan,
Yeah, man.
sometimes we used to go up on the road.
Yes.
And I tell you, say, roll out with Barry Dan today. And a lot of different places we see. But we never know about it.
Yeah, man.
We want to hear about it, but we never really see it.
Yes.
And Barry Dan take the time out to show you what go on. So big up yourself, Barry Dan. One love and one heart.
Big up yourself,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
Respect, you know.
And again,